Tahquamenon Falls.
Yep. And it's Michigan's second largest state park and the largest waterfall in Michigan.
In the entire state.
So
we're excited to see it.
I think it's the second most voluminous waterfall in the eastern United States too. So we're hoping the rains from a few days back has it flowing well, so we'll let you know.
Yeah, it's supposed to be something of the color of Coca-Cola.
The locals call it root beer falls.
Root beer falls, which is a very unique way to put it.
Yes.
So let's go check it out.
Have you been here before?
We haven't. Looks like a nice state park.
Before.
Oh, okay.
I mean, on the property.
This is part of the North County National Scenic Trail, which, as I mentioned before in other videos, that it runs from upstate New York all the way to South Dakota.
Okay, you want to go down the trail?
Sure.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark, ain't nothing but a one way.
As you can see, the gorge platforms and walkway just make it a great viewing area. 181 steps. Wasn't real hard going down. We felt a little bit going up, but all that's good for you, right?
We huffed and puffed going up, that's for sure.
So this is something a little bit different than any state park I've been in before. It has a food truck and a restaurant slash brewery. So it gives you a chance to enjoy the outdoors and then come back and get a little comfort. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh, 'cause as long as the brown color is tannic acid. It's what the locals call root beer falls. As you can see, the colors looks like a frothy root beer. The tannic acid is just natural in the water. It's from vegetation and woods, particularly hemlock and spruce. That's what turns it that color.
in the mud.
And on the way back, we're going on the nature trail, which is,
I don't know how long it is, but it's going straight to the parking lot.
so we're hoping it's not, hoping it's the same one, because this is the first day it's actually been warm. I have shorts on today and short sleeves for the first time in forever. So, but it's a beautiful trail. This is like the nicest of all the Michigan parks that we've been to.
Yep, as we said before, and I think when we went to, I forgot where it was, but I said great job, Michigan. Another great job, Michigan.
Oh, that was at the fort.
Okay.
But this park here actually has real bathrooms, not outbuildings that are really dirty. These are nice, clean restrooms. And there's restaurants and stuff there. This is literally, and the trail was totally paved, so this is one of the nicest Michigan parks we've been to.
Yep, if you have half a day, we suggest doing what we just did, where we go to the falls and then take the Gorge Overlook and the nature trail that leads through the woods.
Yeah, there are several other trails around here that you can take if you're up for a longer hike, but we had to move from campground to Harvest Toast today, so we didn't have time to take the long trails, so we've had to stick to the short ones this afternoon.
Yeah, these are things to do if you had just a few hours in the park. There are many more things if you wanted to spend a half day to a full day, or even more than one day here.
Yeah, totally enjoyable. You'll love it. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.